It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Huh. Welcome back, spirit boosters. Welcome to my channel. I welcome all that are supportive and encouraging, motivating. Thank you for all of the support. Yeah, it is spirit boosting time once again. Here I am back to share a small grocery haul, because what this channel is mostly about: grocery, food, shortages, what you can get, what you can't get, sales, sharing with you guys, spirit boosters, what the heck is going on in my area, and more. But today, okay, any new subscribers, anybody around here just looking, peeking in, have the courage to just say hello, or just share emoji. Be brave, have some guts, have some nerve, have the audacity to come over here and share your thoughts, views, ideals, and whatever the hell is bothering you today with Miss JENITA and the rest of the spirit boosters. Share, share, share. Now, let me share with y'all what's going on. I got these little items where my husband got them. And he just told me about the gas price. He said, yeah, it's $7 and up out here, you know, in LA County area. It's very, very expensive. The gasoline, because they claim it's a shortage of gas, so the prices will go up. But the governor is supposed to be taxing these folks to see if it's going to make a difference. But if y'all heard of that, please say so in the comments. But let me tell y'all something right now. Do you see these 2 bags of potatoes? They were on sale. This is Superior Market. They were 2 for $3. But let me tell y'all something. The prices in the area I'm in are going up and going up and going up. Why? Because of the gentrification. Gentrification. Meaning people that got more money than some of us in this neighborhood right now are moving in, and they are improving. They are rebuilding. They're building all these high-rise apartment buildings. A single going for $2,500. A bachelorette pad probably is the $2,500, and the single is like $3,000-4,000. What in the world? So the wealthy is creeping and crawling all up over here. Gentrification. Look it up if you don't. You never heard the word gentrification. Yes, it's happening. And you know, because some of these grocery stores, the prices are supposed to be cheaper, but no, since they know who's moving in the neighborhood now, they have increased the price of the food, of everything. The prices have increased because of wealthier, supposedly, people moving into the neighborhood. Buildings are coming down by the minute, the hour, the second, the moment. Right now as I speak, they are ripping down old buildings and putting up high-rise apartments all around us. Yes, they are. Are you guys experiencing anything like this in your neighborhoods, in your areas? You know what gentrification is? Oh, and what it can do to folks that will not sell their home, will not be a sellout and give up their home for a few measly dollars so that somebody can come in. Oh, it's going to be a mess. It is a mess. What am I saying? But anyway, I just had to share that right there with y'all in case, you know, somebody wanted to know that's in my area that ain't knowing what's going on. Oh, it's just overwhelming. I'm so happy I have my crafting to calm me down, because now I just had an incredible idea that I'm going to be sharing on my crafting channel, and I'll probably share it over here too to motivate some of you folks to come over there to the crafting channel and support Miss JENITA. What are you doing? You over here, spirit booster? Be a spirit booster on my crafting channel. Don't forget about my gardening too. I do so much. Anyway, y'all. Okay. Should I finish sharing the groceries? Okay, back there I got some organic cucumbers. They pretty good. Because you know I make them organic noodles. Organic noodles. What I'm trying to say is I make them organic cucumber noodles. And they are very, very refreshing. And I would spiralize a tomato if I could. So I got some tomatoes. Well, the organic cucumbers were buy one, get one free. Love that deal. And my husband got some tomatoes. He got some onions, some yellow onions. I really prefer sweet onions, but they had them on sale. But hey, back in the day, for 99 cents a pound or less, what they used to be, real cheap. Oh, I know what it was. It was like you would get 4 pounds 99 cents. 3 pounds 99 cents. Now they just give you a pound for 99 cents. Back in the day, it was so glorious at Superior. You should get 10 pounds of onions for $1. Yeah, y'all remember that? 400 tomatoes for 99 cents back in the day. But anyway, it's now, and everything is much, much more expensive because of the gentrification, like I have said earlier in the conversation. Now, my husband did get some Swahili. Some of y'all be criticizing and judging about folks buying Swahili because you say that it's a bottom feeder, eat nasty stuff, and you shouldn't be eating everything nasty. And we love the Swahili, so my husband continues to buy it. So he got $9 worth of that. 7-8 pieces in there. He gonna cut them, stretch them, make it work. He also like pork chops. He got them like about 8-9 pork chops for $9 and some change over there. They look fresh. That's what he gonna have to eat today. But I had my grits, roasted chicken, strawberries, pineapple, and some white cheddar cheese that filled me up. I don't know if I might have a little small something later on the day, but I'm quite full. Now, some of y'all don't get down with some of Mrs. JENITA's meal creations, but those are some of my favorite foods, and they're just happen to be going down at the same time because that's what I like to eat. I like cheese. I like fresh fruit. I like grits. And especially I like a roasted piece of chicken. Who don't like a roasted piece of chicken? Okay, y'all. What else I got going on? Well, today, like I say, have just had some ideas in my head for my crafting channel. It's gonna take me a minute to put that together, but I am gonna come back with another Halloween story with the Ragdoll Rebel and what the other girl name, Ragdoll Rebel and K-Fall about to be in it, and you will be seeing also Little Rebel gonna be in this next one. But like I say, I'm creating a new idea for some new characters, and that's gonna be a minute before I come back. I got things to do. I'm busy. If I keep being on YouTube, I know that I am committed to my channels, and I want to help support my people. I love you. You love me. You know the way we love each other. We support it. But anyway, I have to do other things also. I can't just spend all my time, my life on the YouTube. Well, the videos, hey, I'm getting a new camera because I'm tired of putting all this on my telephone. So that's one of my early Christmas presents. I'm getting a new camera. But anyway, y'all, I'm busy. I will be getting around to visit y'all channels. Remember, I got 3. Visit me 3 times. I visit you 3 times. Okay? But I got to go now. Thank you for all the support. Welcome all new subscribers. Remember, please let's stay connected. Please let's work together equally. Please give me my thumbs up. Please leave comments, because y'all know we like to talk to each other. Okay, y'all have a good day. And I'll see y'all, talk to y'all in the next video. And hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit